Hey again, second grade. This is Mrs. Alar, and I am here today because I am going to go over some letter identification and letter sounds. So I'm going to show you the flashcard, and I'm going to show it to you, and I'm going to say, for example, B. B says, and then I'm going to wait, and you're going to be able to tell me what the letter B says, and then we'll say it. B. B says, B, 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 B. A. A says, ah, 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 ah. C. C says, k, 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 k. D. D says, d, 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 d. E. E says, eh, 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 eh. Or E. E says E, 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 E. It has two sounds because it's a yellow vowel. F. F says G. G says G, 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 G. H. H says J. J says J, 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 J. K. K says K, 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 K. L. L says ooh, 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 ooh. M. M says mm, 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 mm. N. N says mm, 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 mm. O. Here's another yellow. O says ah, ah, ah. Or O. O says oh, oh, oh. P. P says R. R says r, 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 r. S. S says s, 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 s. T. T says t, 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 t. Here's another yellow. That means it's a vowel. U. U says uh, or you. Here it is again. I. I says I, or I says I. W. W says w. V. V says v. X. X says x, x, x. Z. Z says z, z, z. Y. Y says y, 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 y. Q. U. Q. U says qu, qu, qu. T. H. T. H says and TH also says v, 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 v. CH. CH says ch, 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 ch. LL says ooh, 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 ooh. SH. SH says shh, 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 shh. FF says SS. SS says s, 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 s. And ZZ. ZZ says zzz, 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 like a buzzing bee. You could go through this video over and over again to practice your letter identification and your letter sounds. Have fun. Bye.